Hi, Pete Wolfkamp, resident builder, and today I'm on site as these retaining walls come up out of the ground. The idea being is that when they're up, this will then be the area that we're actually retaining. So what tends to happen is water on the ground and behind the wall wants to push against the wall. And if the backfill becomes saturated, i.e. there's no drainage, it adds weight to the wall. So getting the drainage right is really critical to the overall performance of the wall and to the condition of the ground around it. So today we're using Bailey Black Snake drainage coil. We've got 110mm coil that's slotted. We're going to fit it inside the filter cloth, and then it's running in behind the retaining wall all the way to the end. And then on top of that, or over the top of that, we're then adding the drainage material. So some scoria and some fill that's got no fines in it. And what that does is it allows the water to drain behind the wall, hit the pipe, then be directed along the pipe until it goes out via a cesspit into the stormwater. It is a critical component to doing retaining walls well. To do it well, use Bailey Black Snake drainage pipe. To find out more, go to tanks.co.nz.